Hey guys, another day, okay, that intro was too much. Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. It's Friday. I'm excited. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why, because we're having tacos tonight. I'm going to take a bubble bath. The Celtics are on. And yeah, it's great. Life's great. Guys, oh, just to throw this out there. What is that? I told you guys in a previous video that I sold a skirt, a Burberry skirt on Mercari, and it's supposed to be delivered today, and I've been like checking the tracking number all day because I'm like, oh my gosh, is it there? Is it there? Here, let's check. Let's check. I think it's in like, I know it's on the West Coast. What does it say? What does it say? It's out for delivery and expected to arrive by 9 p.m. 9 p.m. their time is midnight my time, so I just don't have a good feeling about this. I feel like I'm gonna get scammed. I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated, but I just don't have a good feeling. Okay, first question. Oh, first of all, hold on. Can we just, woo! Let's just talk. I sold a huge bundle today. I sold a bundle of 31 things. Thank you so much. It was repeat buyer. I don't know if you watch my videos. If you do, I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm not gonna like say your name just because I don't know if you want me to say your name. But yeah, thank you so much. First question, Vanessa, this is off topic from your video. I just recently started listing again after being on hiatus. You had a video a long time ago, can't find it and forgot how to do it. When someone likes your listing, how do you go into the listing and find their information on what sizes the customer wears? When I do switch to sell view, I'm not doing something right, you mean girl. That was a comment on my reading mean comments video. Which was filmed, oh guys, see, I pre-filmed so many videos. That video was filmed, I think, at like the beginning of September, and I just uploaded it like a couple days ago from when I'm filming this, and this video is probably gonna be up for like another week or so. It's just like time, man. I'm like a time traveler, I don't know. So you can see somebody's sizes if they have filled out their style card. Okay, let's just find a random ass person. This person, for example, this person, I actually know this person. She came to one of my Posh and Sips, so I don't know if she watches my YouTube videos, but I'm just gonna shout her out. Her and her husband went full-time with reselling, and they sell, I think it's just shoes. Their name is The Shoe Seller, which is like clever. It's like seller, like C-E-L-L-A-R, which is clever. You're gonna tap on the little shopping bag icon thingamajigger, and it's gonna look like this. You're gonna tap on the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. You're gonna tap on switch to sell view. Then you're gonna tap on the 3 dots again in the upper right-hand corner, and you're gonna tap on view style card. And that will show you this person's like sizes and stuff that they have, if they have it filled out. If they don't, it's obviously not gonna show anything. But that is how you do it. And then you can style them. You can add items to a bundle that are like their size. Yeah, I've talked about styling people before. I feel like it's kind of like, I don't know, it's like a risk, because sometimes you can, you know, do some research on the potential buyer and see what kind of styles they like. But then again, they might be a reseller and they might just be buying everything. So I don't know, it's tricky, definitely tricky, but that's how you do it. Okay, next question. Hi, I heard you mention that we are now able to delete bundles. Why would someone want to do that? So the reason I was excited for that is just for like an organizational sense, I guess. I don't like scrolling through bundles that are empty, and it's just like literally just scrolling and scrolling. Like, I don't know, I just like to have that like organization, I guess. I'm also the type of person that, oh gosh, this is a bad example. Like that bottom row right there, those red circles are usually not there. Like I'm usually the type of person, I haven't checked my email in like 2 hours, so that's why it's like that. Yeah, I like to be organized in that sense. And again, with bundles, I like to be able to scroll through my bundles and see, you know, like active bundles, not empty ones. But yeah, I'm definitely excited about it. I feel like it's such a simple thing that just should have been around a while ago. It's like, why Poshmark? Why did it take you so long? Actually, I'm impressed because PoshFest was not last weekend. Wait, was it last weekend? No, not last weekend when I'm filming this. Not last weekend, but the weekend before. And they've already rolled out one of their new features, and it is a Closet Insights feature. They haven't actually rolled it out to everyone. I got it, which I'm super excited because I'm never the first to get anything. Like with Poshmark, when they roll out new things, I'm never like the first to get it. So yeah, so that's exciting. It's under my seller tools. If you are curious, update your app first, then go to my seller tool, go to my Closet Insight, and it'll give you all these analytics and numbers. I'm not going to show you guys mine, but it's really, really cool. Yeah, they rolled that out like a week after PoshFest, which was good considering it took them literally a year to be able to delete empty bundles. Okay, last question. Hi Vanessa, I've been watching you for years, since before you started started reselling. I don't understand you. You used to be so against people selling their PR makeup for a profit, but why are you doing the same thing with reselling? It doesn't make sense to me. They're the same thing. How can you justify it? Okay, so if you don't know what this person's talking about, before I started reselling, I had just a makeup channel here on YouTube. I would do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, just makeup related videos. I would get a lot of things sent to me for free. I still get emails literally daily, like multiple emails daily from companies wanting to send me stuff, and I'm just like, eh. But when I would get makeup sent to me, let me see, actually I have some examples right here. So when I would get makeup sent to me, they would literally send me like collections. Like I have these 2 boxes from Maybelline, and I took the makeup out of here, but this was their Super Stay ink crayons. They sent me like 10 or 12 colors. This one, oh, this was their mascara. They sent me 2 of them, and I definitely kept both of them because I love this friggin' mascara. But yeah, anyway, when I would get things sent from companies, they would send me like almost full collections, sometimes full collections. I'm obviously not going to use all that, and other people that get it obviously are not going to use all that makeup too, especially if it's like a foundation. Depending on the company, there could be like 15, 20 different shades of foundation. You don't need that many shades of foundation. So what a lot of people were doing is they were selling their PR makeup that they got for free, and I was definitely against that. I thought that was wrong. I mean, I still think that it's wrong. The brands also think that it's wrong, and most brands, if they catch you doing that, they'll take you off their PR list. They're not sending you those products so you can, you know, use the company and turn around and make a profit. They're sending you those products because they want you to try them out, promote them on your YouTube channel, especially if you're receiving free products and you're getting paid to talk about them. It's so fucked up to turn around and sell those. Like that's just morally wrong, I think. And again, brands think that too. So, I mean, there's so many other things you could do instead of, you know, just being a douchebag and making money off this company that's already sending you free shit and paying you. Yes, you know, you're doing them a favor too, by, you know, advertising for them, but still, it's not right. That is not even close to the same thing that I'm doing now. That's not even close at all. I go to a thrift store and I buy stuff. I spend my money and I turn around and flip it. I'm not getting something for free. Like it's completely different. I don't know why this person thinks that it's the same. It's completely different. And if you can't see that, then I don't know what to tell you. It's just completely fucking different. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KEEPINITRAD. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.